at Madro Dam, from where we have begun our tour of Holland. These are the scenery in front of Madro Dam. To increase your life cycle, this is the Madro Dam, and now the children have come here to see the Madro Dam. इधर गुजराती कमेंट्री चालू है.
Rakesh and kids, now we have reached to a place in Netherlands called Madro Dam.
क्या उधर ही वीडियो देखते चलो.
तुम्हारे पास खड़ा रहने में तुमको इरिटेशन है ना? This is the Madro Dam.
हमारे बोट रेस होती है.
अरे रूट लगाया ना, एरो लगाया.
बना हुआ है मतलब.
और ये मधुरम के शूज देखिए कितने बड़े हैं. स्टोरी नहीं सुनाई आपको महेश जी ने?
नहीं. See, this is a small replica of Amsterdam. You can see the port city here where the ship has been parked, and now this is the tower to give indication. And similarly, this replica is. These are the lovely flowers of this place. You can see.
ये फीस भी इससे बड़ी बड़ी रहेगी क्या?
These are the see, these are the military vehicles parked in different places. See, this is Gaga, Chintu, नीलिमा. मैं बेटा फ्लावर लूंगा, मैं सब लूंगा एक एक फोटो. यस, यहाँ पे खड़े हो इस हाउस के पास.
ले चुका.
See, this is the lovely replica of the house where Gaga and Yash is in the church. You can see both the children are enjoying this.
This महल.
The church. See. See, this is the city center. City center. Now Yash and Gargi is going there, and they're all enjoying John's Basilica, the church.
Replica of St. John's Basilica.
It's very beautiful.
Gaga! Chintu!
You can see it is a lovely replica of St. John Church.
Rakesh is standing in front of replica of St. John's Basilica, and we are in town of Madro Dam. This is replica of Dutch Museum. ये लो ना स्टिल.
ये चलती है, ये कार नहीं चलती.
These are the lovely houses. The bus is also moving now.
ये कहाँ है
It's a lovely replica. Aerial view. See, the boat is also being taken care of.
Excuse me, can you wait me?
Amazing, na? This is Rakesh.
Yes, amazing. It's amazing.
It's toy town.
And see, this is the carnival. This is the carnival.
इसका नंबर है.
बहुत सारे तोड़ेंगे.
You can see the carnival.
चलो अभी और क्या देखेंगे? यहाँ से आगे.
See,
बहुत सारी.
पापा
इधर जो ना बोट जा रही है भरी हुई बोट
People are enjoying their food. See the small boat riding.
भाई वो क्या ओपन ब्रिज और
अब वो देखो वहाँ बोट
बोट आएगी ना ओपन होगा
ब्रिज ओपन हो जाएगा पापा बोट आएगी
देखो ब्रिज
See
ओपन
this
है
boat coming towards the bridge, and it's a lovely boat ride.
ये टच करती है बोट को भी टच करती है
This is the scene of Canal Quarter and Mint Tower.
एक बोट आ रही है कौन सा पेज है
39 number है.
Now the bridge is also being opened now. It's opening slowly, and because the boat is coming towards the bridge now, and you will find that it is being opened.
आ रही है
As soon as the boat will come here, it will automatically be opened.
ओपन ओपन ये ऊपर हो रहा है
The boat is opening. The bridge is opening now. Now the bridge is fully opened up
चलाना
for the boat to cross, and now the boat is crossing. This is really lovely, beautiful. It's really beautiful.
टूटा फूटा है
Of Amsterdam. You can see it's a beautiful museum,
मम्मी ये सब क्या है पूरा
clock tower.
This is Royal Palace on D Dam Square, Amsterdam.
It's a D-Dam Square of Royal Palace. You can see Gaga is also watching this, and it's really beautiful.
ये ऐसे मुंह में
तो गधे की तरह नहीं बनाया करो मुंह। See, this is the बच्चे यहाँ देखो बेटा। See, this is the windmill, and my both children are standing there. Why क्यों तो बोलो?
This is Floor Mill D Walk.
See, it's a lovely wind. See, this is the downtown. People are crossing the roads, and
Papa, that's the airport. Papa, that's the airport.
this is the parade in the city. It's a downtown parade.
And
See how people are taking this parade. The entire city is gathered up.
पढ़ती रहती हूँ मैं बुक्स में पढ़ा
Downtown, the entire city, the city circle. You can see this entire city, and it's a replica of entire city. And this is really lovely. You can see so many visitors seeing this replica, and it is spread over 20 acre. It's a huge place. See, this is the lovely church, Moider Slot Castle. You can see these children are watching Ludicrous Castle. This is Gaga who is watching this castle. This is Yash who is also watching this castle. And this is, now we are heading towards the airport. See the train at the airport. When we reach there, see, this is the entire range of the train which is shown here from here. You can see the traffic. See the highway city, which is looking very beautiful. You see the track of the train, and these are the highway from where the vehicles are going. You can see many more vehicles are going, and it's really fabulous art.
of airport.
And that's a railway station. You can see a lot of people are waiting for the train to come, and there's a train standing at the station. Yes, this is how the train is already left now. Train is going, to another city. The highway, the bird's view of the highway is like this. And this is the speed of the tram. Another tram is coming from there. See, this is the route
निकल रही है एयरपोर्ट से
route of the tram. Tram is taking people inside the airport. See, this tram is going into the airport, and after people get into the airport, after check-in, immigration, see the people out there inside. You know, people are there inside the airport, and this is the plane. Air France is waiting there. This is Air France. There's another plane, KLM, then China Airlines, and there is my wife, Nilima. She's inspecting the entire airport. You can see this is the airport, and the bus is also there, and Malaysian Airlines, Canada, Indonesia. From where the tram will take you from the airport and will bring you to this terminus. And Korean Airways plane is also waiting. You can see. And some other planes are also moving. Take off. This is one of the most loveliest airport I have ever seen in my life. This is the parking area of the airport of Amsterdam. You can see many more buses are parked, cars are parked at the parking area, and it's really loving, mind-boggling miniature created by intelligent people of Amsterdam. See these children, they are enjoying, they don't understand what to watch, what not to watch, and it has made them frightened too much. See, this is the entire city next to the airport, because whatever replica you see, they have dimensioned it in such a manner.
Amsterdam, this is New Amsterdam.
When you see, we have covered the old Amsterdam. This is the entire old Amsterdam. This is, you know, the giant wheel and different kind of windmills and other things. This is old Amsterdam, which we have already seen. And this is the new Amsterdam, where the airport has been seen now. I have shown you the Amsterdam, which is old one. And this airport divides them into two parts. After covering this, when you come to this side, you see the new Amsterdam. New Amsterdam is all modern building. This side of the... See, this is
रोलर कोस्टर देखना अभी कार में चल
roller coaster. See, everybody is enjoying this. It's a lovely roller coaster. And now, see this. Now this will begin. The roller coaster will start now.
रोलर कोस्टर कैसे इधर ज़ू ये बोले को अब उसके पीछे धक्का लगेगा एंड द बेल देखो ट्रेन जा रही है मालगाड़ी
This roller coaster has begun now. Started climbing on the top.
बच्चे लोग
इसमें रिवाइंड होगा नहीं शायद. Royal Palace of Hague. You can
Mommy, see
see.
the boat.
It's a lovely Royal Palace, panoramic view of Royal Palace. This is the entire Royal Palace shown to you here. This is the domestic airline.
लगे जो बड़ी-बड़ी ships
Which has been created. This is the dockyard.
स्टेनर लाइन लोग आए थे
The ship by which we have come, Stena Line, is shown here. And this is another ship standing. And this is
छाता मैं पकड़ती हूँ
the harbor. You can see the train moving, bringing people. I'm comfortable with this. You can come in this. And they are all oil rigs, taking oil from the coastal area.
मम्मी देखो इधर से पब्लिक जा रही है
And see, this is the linear. one of the linear going into the sea. And this is Ravli,
वो कार ले जाती है
another linear who is carrying cars and vehicles.
देखो तो सही कैसे
Then the
ले जाती
windmills are also there. You can see the windmills at the back. These are all oil rigs. From where? See, this is the container ship which carries container.
है। See the car is going inside now.
And this is the train which is again bringing containers, taking containers from the port. This is the entire city where the oil rigs are taking oil, exporting. This is linear plane, and they are my family. They are my family. They are coming here and see them enjoying all miniatures of this city. And this is a lovely new town. You can see the train.
I can't believe. See the train is going. It's a helicopter. Helicopter.
The helicopter is ready to come. And see, this is Nilima Mishra. And this is the entire miniature of entire town. Nilima enjoying everything. Soccer ground. The soccer ground is. You should just go back of it. यहाँ पे blue रंग का लगा है बेटा. This is the oil rigs which is taking out petroleum oil. See, please carry on, no problem.
Rakesh, before boost.
Now this is the time when the ship is leaving. And see, yeah, the bridge is being joined now.
Join हो रहा है।
See,
पापा हो क्या रहा है?
Rotterdam. See, this bridge is being joined of multinational Rotterdam. Replica of the building. Senior. The container loading places where the containers are being loaded. See, this ship is about to leave now. Head office of Unilever.
Rakesh is standing in front of replica of head office Unilever. Then
फोटो मम्मी मम्मी
Gargi.
छूट रही है
Rakesh is watching replica of miniature town in Holland.
नहीं मैं यहाँ तक आओ ना चलते चलते मैडम एयरपोर्ट जो है ना लिखा हुआ ट्रेन लो देखो ट्रेन यहाँ से लो
एक्सक्यूज मी ये तो झूठी थी
train is going and Nilima is taking the photograph of Amsterdam airport also. You can see Amsterdam airport and Gaga is standing with me. Yash is also standing. Yash is standing with me. See, the ship is also leaving now.
हाथ पे ज्यादा लग रही है
This is all replica of small containers.
पॉकेट में हाथ डाल दो पटरी है ना
Replica of small train of Netherlands moving on a
दो
track.
पटरी ये इस पटरी से आई वो दूसरी वाली इस पटरी से गई थी ना देखो चल रहा है
रुक रहे
देखो अंदर बैठे भी है
And Mr. Yash is watching the
उनको
train.
कितना मजा
He
आई
is
होगी
very happy. Gargi is also enjoying. Papa is also enjoying the scenery. Papa is looking very smart still. He's maintaining his hairs once again.
गई वहाँ पर तीसरी आई काश मैं एक चींटी होता
Rakesh is standing in front of beautiful flowers all over. Now they will be moving on this bridge. Actual bridge is very huge, but since this is a replica of the bridge, see Rakesh and Gargi and Yash going on the bridge. See these beautiful flowers, extremely beautiful flowers. This is electric center, replica of electric center Madruda.
मस्त ट्रेन છે ને હા કીધું તો આવશે આ રિમોટ વાળી એ મળે હો લેવી તો
Gentlemen, this को दूर से बेटा zoom कर रही थी. Rakesh is enjoying each and every sight.
And this is the railway station here. You can see the railway station.
मम्मी देखो प्लेन छूट रहा है अभी पापा प्लेन छूट रहा है
This is goods train moving. And this is miniature of a building in Amsterdam.
It's coming down, then it will go up. The water supply to the city is controlled like this.
चलो भी इतना सारा ये रेलवे
This is again the highway. You can see, and this is World Trade Center.
वर्ल्ड ट्रेड
This is the World Trade Center of Amsterdam, and this is the highway.
सी द मोटरबोट एंड द मैन
And
इधर
here
आके
it's
देखो
a
ना, पास
motorboat, high-speed boat.
द मैन इज बिहाइंड
It's a water ski. There's a water ski here. The water ski is so lovely. Just see that man.
हेलो एयरपोर्ट आई खुद ही हाले
It's water sports center.
बेटा ये पकड़ो अरे
But a lot of boats doing water ski and other sports activities.
ये मुझे लिया
This is really art of its beautiful creation. See, this is the engine, which is steam engine. This is the railway station now.
चलता नहीं है चलता इससे दबाना पड़ता
This is the Zoo of Amsterdam. You can see elephants here and some people enjoying zoo. But a white bear in the zoo, and you see some camels, buffalo, and those are the giraffes. These are the giraffes, zebra,
नहीं है पकड़ी हो क्या
and many more animals. See, this is the rope car.
राकेश वो ऊपर जा रही है वो भी लेना.
There's another rope car here. It is going on top of the mountain. You can see. And these are the falls, huge falls. And these are the rope cars coming from the top of.
The train is
You can see the speed of the train entering into the bridge. And here it is. Gargi and Chintu was watching. Now you
The train
can
is
see the
coming from
bridge.
that side. This train is passing through the bridge and another train is coming from
Another side, yeah.
ये कोई कोई तो बैठे भी है यार
train has stopped on the station.
These are the vestibule. So the train is going.
अभी ट्रेन आ रही है पापा one more train is coming one more train is coming one more train is coming come one train is coming
This is the final and overall view of the Mudro Dam and its replica.
पापा ट्रेन भी आ रही है
That was the old Amsterdam, old buildings. You know, where we have taken everything which has constructed long back. Whereas now